Alright， 我们来看一下 the most memorable benefit 这道题。首先，大家把视频暂停一下，用大概30秒到40秒的时间，把整段话呢先通读一遍。Alright， 我们来看第一部分。Perhaps the most memorable, the most， 你千万不要在这个 the most memorable 这3个单词中间有停顿 ，OK？ 那最高级。Perhaps the most memorable benefit of， 这有一个 of。我们这里不能停，已经确定了 the most memorable benefit 后面有一个 of， 那更不能停了，所以这一块呢一定要连起来。Perhaps the most memorable benefit of the program has been the opportunity to me. Has been 前面呢可以有一个 tiny pause， 但是呢从 perhaps 到这个 groups 不是很长。我说过我们尽量少的停顿，保证这个流利度，对不对？如果发音不能拿到非常高的分数的话呢，流利度这一块呢肯定不可以掉分。Memorable benefit of 这个 benefit 后面加 of 连读，看到了 of 前后连在一起。Benefit of the program has been the opportunity to meet in small groups。注意这个复数。Something that is difficult， something that is 这个 t 弱化 ，something that is 这个不要读成 something，OK？Something that is difficult to arrange。Difficult to 不是 difficult to something that is difficult to arrange such as desperate organizations desperate 连读 desperate organization 我们把这一部分整个读一下 Perhaps the most memorable benefit of the program has been the opportunity to meet in small groups something that is difficult to arrange such as desperate organization 好，我们来看第二部分Many offices would have to would 这个 d 弱化 would have to work together。如果你读的过于清楚，这块会读成 would have to work together，OK？Would d 弱化，以口型一定要到位。Would have to work together, have to work together k 弱化 for 30 years。But 这里停顿没有问题，停顿。But would not know。But would d 弱化 not 这个 t 弱化 no 连起来 but would not know other strength and weakness 这个 k 非常的弱 weakness 我没有读成 weakness OK 这一部分呢虽然比较短但是难度还是比较大的我们来连起来读一下 Many officers would have to work together for 30 years but would not know other strength and weakness OK 把两部分连在一起读一下 Perhaps the most memorable benefit of the program has been the opportunity to meet in small groups, something that is difficult to arrange such as desperate organization. Many officers would have to work together for 30 years, but would not know other strength and weakness. All right, thank you guys.